The next-generation spacesuits that NASA has developed represent a significant step forward in the field of spacesuit technology. These spacesuits are designed to meet the requirements of upcoming space exploration operations, such as activities on the lunar surface and eventual manned missions to Mars. In order to improve astronauts' mobility, endurance, and safety while they are operating in the harsh environment of space, these cutting-edge spacesuits use novel features and materials. The next-generation spacesuits developed by NASA have the following key features. Number 10. Enhanced mobility. The next-generation spacesuits that NASA is developing place a high priority on mobility as a major feature. These spacesuits make use of improved joint articulation and mobility systems to give astronauts an unparalleled amount of flexibility of movement. Even though they are operating in the harsh, weightless environment of space, astronauts are able to conduct sophisticated maneuvers and complex jobs with incredible agility and precision because of these revolutionary devices. The spacesuits reduce the amount of physical strain that astronauts experience during extravehicular activities, EVAs, by maximizing range of motion and lowering resistance. This enables astronauts to perform more efficiently and effectively for longer periods of time. Not only does increased mobility boost astronaut productivity, but it also makes a contribution to the overall success of the mission. This is because it enables astronauts to traverse and function in a variety of locations, ranging from the surface of the moon to the wide expanse of space beyond. Number 9. Integrated life support systems. The next-generation spacesuits that NASA has developed are outfitted with cutting-edge life support systems that are seamlessly incorporated into the design of the suit. When astronauts are exposed to the harsh environment of space for extended periods of time, these systems are extremely important in maintaining their chances of survival. It is vital for astronauts to have a constant supply of breathing air at appropriate temperature levels in order for them to survive in the unbreathable environment of space. This is and other members of the crew. This makes it easier for them to coordinate their efforts and provides them with essential support in the event of an emergency. Integrated life support systems strengthen mission endurance and astronaut safety throughout extended space missions. They do this by supplying astronauts with the supplies and support they need to continue living normally. Number 8. Durability and protection. The next-generation spacesuits that NASA has developed are designed with durability and protection in mind. They are constructed using cutting-edge materials and construction methods in order to survive the rigorous pressures that come with space exploration. In order to provide great protection against micrometeoroid impacts, severe temperatures, and dangerous radiation exposure in space, these spacesuits are designed for materials that are both lightweight and sturdy. There are multiple layers of reinforced materials that form a protective barrier around the body of the astronaut. These materials include made possible by sophisticated technologies that regulate both oxygen and temperature. Additionally, waste management technologies provide the efficient management of bodily waste products, so keeping the suit from becoming contaminated and ensuring that cleanliness is maintained throughout extended missions. There are communication technologies that are integrated into the spacesuit that allow astronauts to maintain a connection with mission control high-strength textiles and composite materials. This barrier shields the astronaut from any potential dangers that may be experienced in the hostile environment of space. The layers of thermal insulation help to maintain the body temperature of the astronaut, so preventing either excessive cooling or overheating during extravehicular activities, EVAs, that take place in the extreme environment of space. NASA's next-generation spacesuits prioritize durability and protection, which allows them to ensure the safety and well-being of astronauts while they are on missions. This allows astronauts to concentrate on scientific discovery and mission objectives without having to worry about their health or safety. Number 7. Safety features that are built in. When it comes to space exploration, safety is of the utmost importance, and the next-generation spacesuits that NASA has developed are outfitted with cutting-edge safety measures that help to reduce potential dangers and safeguard the well-being of astronauts in difficult conditions. Astronauts are equipped with emergency propulsion systems that are integrated into their spacesuits. These devices give astronauts the ability to maneuver and navigate in the case of an emergency or a loss of communication with the ship. These propulsion systems provide astronauts with a lifeline in the event of emergency conditions, enabling them to safely return to the spacecraft or travel to a site that has been approved as safe. Failure-safe mechanisms are also incorporated into the design of the spacesuits. These mechanisms are designed to detect and respond to any malfunctions or failures that may occur in the equipment. This helps to ensure that vital systems continue to function properly and reliably. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, improves the resiliency and preparedness of astronauts for the unanticipated challenges of space exploration by including these built-in safety mechanisms. This creates the opportunity for successful missions with low risk to human life. Number 6. Adaptable and comfortable spacesuits. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) acknowledges the significance of supplying astronauts with spacesuits that not only prioritize comfort and fit but also offer increased functionality. Therefore, the spacesuits of the future generation are precisely made to provide a customized fit for each individual astronaut. This is accomplished by taking into consideration the astronaut's specific body dimensions and the ergonomic requirements that they have specifically. The spacesuit is designed to adhere to the body curves and motions of the astronaut through the use of advanced design techniques such as adjustable straps, padding, and ergonomic components. This helps to reduce the amount of discomfort and tiredness experienced by the astronaut during long-duration missions. NASA's goal is to improve astronaut performance and well-being in the harsh environment of space by optimizing the fit and comfort of the spacesuit. In space, even minor discomforts can have a significant impact on the success of a mission and the health of astronauts. A further benefit of the modification of spacesuit fit is that it helps reduce the likelihood of musculoskeletal injuries and guarantees that astronauts are able to move freely and with agility while performing essential jobs and extravehicular activities, EVAs, in the weightless environment of space. Number 5. Advanced Environmental Control Systems. The next-generation spacesuits that NASA has developed are outfitted with advanced environmental control systems that govern the temperature, humidity, and pressure that are contained within the suit. These devices guarantee that astronauts will continue to be comfortable and protected from the harsh circumstances that they will encounter during spacewalks and surface activities on celestial worlds. Additionally, built-in sensors continuously monitor the circumstances of the surroundings, which enables adjustments to be made in real time in order to maximize comfort and safety. Number 4. Integrated augmented reality screens. The next-generation spacesuits that NASA is developing include integrated augmented reality (AR) screens. These displays are designed to improve astronauts' situational awareness and provide assistance to them while they are performing complex tasks. Critical information such as navigation cues, task instructions, and environmental alerts are provided by these displays, which superimpose digital information onto the visor of the astronaut. NASA is able to provide astronauts with the ability to access vital information without using their hands by incorporating augmented reality technology right into the spacesuit. This allows NASA to maximize both efficiency and safety during space missions. Number 3. Self-healing materials. In order to reduce the likelihood of accidental damage and to extend the lifespan of spacesuits, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) has developed novel self-healing materials that are capable of repairing minor punctures or tears on the surface of the suit. Microcapsules that are loaded with adhesive compounds are utilized in these materials. These microcapsules activate when they come into contact with oxygen, thereby sealing any breaches in the suit's integrity. NASA is able to improve the spacesuit's durability and lessen the frequency with which it requires repair or replacement by introducing self-healing capabilities into the structure of the spacesuit. Astronauts can take action according to the circumstances if necessary. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) ensures the early detection of health issues and timely intervention by integrating biometric monitoring into the spacesuit. This helps to protect the heel. Number 2. Biometric monitoring systems. In order to ensure that astronauts are in good health and well-being while they are on missions, NASA's next-generation spacesuits are outfitted with biometric monitoring systems. These systems measure vital signs in real time, including the heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation levels. This information is sent wirelessly to mission control, which enables medical personnel to monitor the physiological health of the astronauts while they are on extended space missions. Number 1. Sustainability and recyclability. In accordance with NASA's commitment to sustainability, the next-generation spacesuits are constructed with materials that are both recyclable and favorable to the environment. By giving sustainability a higher priority in the design and manufacturing processes of spacesuits, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) reduces the negative impact that space exploration operations have on the environment and encourages responsible management of Earth's resources. Furthermore, the utilization of modular components and designs that are repairable makes it possible for spacesuits to be easily repaired and reused for subsequent missions. This further contributes to the reduction of waste and the promotion of resource efficiency in space exploration programs. Overall, the emphasis placed on tailored fit and comfort highlights NASA's dedication to addressing the physical and psychological demands of astronauts over extended trips beyond low Earth orbit. This will ultimately make it possible for humans to explore and survive in the wide expanse of outer space. So do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.